Hi everyone, today we're looking at triangle inequalities from lesson 4 of chapter 13, and this is about understanding that the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Greater than the length of the third side. I'll show you what I mean. So this here, I always like to look at the two shortest sides. So what are the two shortest sides of this triangle? The 5 and the 4, right? And so what is 5 plus 4? 9. So is that sum greater than the length of the longest side? The longest side is 7. 9 is greater. If the sum of those two short sides is greater than the long side, then yes, we can use those sides to form a triangle. In this example too, we've got the same idea here. What are the two shortest sides? The 6 and the 8, right? And those equal a sum of 14. Now is that 14 longer than the third side, the longest side, which is 10? Yes, 14 is greater than 10. Therefore, yes, these lengths of sides, a length of 6 and 8 and 10, create a triangle. Should have written it in one big long sentence at the bottom. 6, 8, and 10 centimeters lengths do make a triangle. On this one too, we're going to do the same thing. What are the two shortest sides? The 6 centimeters and the 5 centimeters. Together, that's a sum of 11. Is that 11 longer than the longest side of 7? Yes. Therefore, the lengths of five centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 7 centimeters do form a triangle. But watch this next example on the next slide. We've got 2, 1, and 4. Okay, the two shortest ones are 1 and 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Is that sum greater than the longest side of 4? No. That's why you can see that they don't form a triangle. The two shortest ones have to be at least a little bit longer than the longest one. Even if this was like, who knows, I don't know, 2.1 and 2, right? What's 2.1 plus 2? 4.1, right? And so that would be longer. It'd barely be longer. It wouldn't look like that. It would look more like this, which is barely a triangle, okay? But the sum of the two shortest ones, need to have a sum that's longer or greater than the longest side. So this one did not at all create a triangle. So you don't even need to see it. You can just check the lengths and be like, okay, what are the two shortest sides? Are they longer? Is the sum longer than the longest side? Okay, either yes, it makes a triangle, or no, it doesn't. Let's try it right here. In number 4, I don't think we're going to do all these blanks. I think we'll just concentrate on what I've shown you so far in the previous problems. Which ones are the shortest in number 4? Would you agree that 4 inches and 10 inches is the shortest? Okay, what's 10 plus 4? 10 plus 4 is 14. Is that longer than the 13? Yes. So then a triangle can be formed. Yes. What about this one? Which are the two shortest? Do you agree that the 18 and the 6 are the two shortest? And what's 18 plus 6? 24. Is that longer than the longest one? No. A triangle cannot be formed because, say this is 25, this is kind of what it would look like. Here would be the 18 and here would be the 6. Not quite, right? Not quite. And then you are going to do these on the Ed puzzle, and I will give you some time to do those.